In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize gift cards on your Shopify website. Gift cards can be a fantastic way to boost your sales and provide your customers with a versatile gifting option, whether for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Let's dive right in and see how you can set this up efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to the Products section on the left panel of your Shopify admin dashboard. As you manage your store, you're probably quite familiar with this layout, but it's always nice to have a reminder. Once you're in the Products section, look for the Gift Cards option. Selecting this will bring you to the page where you can manage your existing gift cards and create new ones. Now, to create a new gift card, simply click on the Create Gift Card button. This will open up a new interface where you can start customizing your gift card to suit your store's branding and your customers' needs. The first thing you'll want to do is either add a unique code or generate a random one. If you want to add a personal touch to your gift cards, consider creating a code that's meaningful to your brand or even a specific promotion you're running. However, if you prefer to keep things straightforward, letting Shopify generate a random code will work just fine. Next, you'll want to set the initial value of the gift card. This step is crucial as it determines the purchasing power of the card. Think about the kinds of products and services you offer and consider setting multiple value options to cater to different customer budgets. Whether it's a small token of appreciation or a more significant gift, having a range of values ensures that you're appealing to a broader audience. Additionally, there's the option to set an expiration date for your gift cards. While some businesses choose not to have their gift cards expire, setting an expiration date can actually create a sense of urgency for both the purchaser and the recipient, encouraging them to use the card before it lapses. It's up to you to decide what best suits your business model and customer engagement strategies. And there you have it. With these few steps, you've successfully created and customized a gift card for your Shopify store. Remember, gift cards are not just a product. They're a powerful tool to increase your store's visibility and provide value to your customers. So, make the most out of them by promoting them across your sales channels and during peak shopping seasons. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy selling!